I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue for you and for me, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright, blessed day and the dark, sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do, but what they really say is I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow, they learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think, yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Thank you.